Hello students, in this video we will discuss about an important construction. If construction of rectangle when base, one angle of base and difference of two sides are given. Now here given that base length of base one angle of base and difference of two sides are given. There are two cases arises here. First is say difference of two sides. That means suppose in triangle ABC base BC is given, angle B is also given, but difference of two remaining sides, that means AB and AC, difference of AB and AC are given. That means here two cases arises. First, when AB is greater than AC, and another case if AB is less than AC. Now here there are two cases. Case first, in triangle ABC, AB is greater than AC. Right here first BC is given, angle B is given, and important case in this situation, if AB is greater than AC, you should be concentrate at this point. AB is greater than AC. Then how to construct the triangle? In this equation, first we draw the base, that means BC is given. We first draw the base. Again, make the angle on point B. That means what is the given angle here? Make on the point B. Suppose any angle make at B point, what will be given? And now from, suppose this is the BX, from BX we should be cut an arc equal to difference of two sides, that is AB minus AC. What will be given? Then one arc equal to AB minus AC cut from B. Then from here cut an arc. Suppose this is the Y. Since Y equal to AB minus AC, and join Y to C. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of YC. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? Already we have discussed in the previous video. Then take more than half of YC and cut two arcs from Y and C on both sides like this, and join these two intersection point and produce it like this. Both means BX and this perpendicular bisector cut at A point. Now join A to C. This will be required triangle ABC. For better understanding, we will take here one example or numerical problem. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 5.7 centimeter, base angle B equal to 45 degree, and AB minus AC equal to 3 centimeter. Now how to construct it? First we draw BC equal to 5.7 centimeter, 5.7 centimeter, BC 5.7 centimeter, and make an angle equal to 45 degree at point B. So first we make the right angle from here, like this, and again bisect this angle. As you know that how to draw the angle bisector, already in the previous video I have discussed it. So taking the more than half of length of this arc and cut from two arcs from this and this, like this, and join B to this intersection point and draw a line BX. From BX, cut an arc equal to 3 centimeter from B. Suppose this is the 3 centimeter BY. BY is the 3 centimeter, and join Y to C, like this. Again draw the perpendicular bisector of YC. Already how to draw the perpendicular bisector of any line discussed in the previous videos. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of BC and join these two intersection of arcs. These perpendicular bisector cut or intersect BX at point A. Join A to C. This is the required triangle ABC. Thus, required triangle will be triangle ABC, in which BC equal to 5.7, angle B equal to 45 degree, and AB minus AC, this will be 3 centimeter. This is the construction of a triangle when one angle of base and difference of two remaining sides, if first side is greater than another. Now we will discuss how to write justification of this construction. Write here justification. Justification: since A point at the perpendicular bisector of YC, A is the point of perpendicular bisector of YC. Therefore, AY equal to AC. AY equal to AC, because A is the perpendicular bisector. A is on the perpendicular bisector of AC. Therefore, if AY equal to AC, then AB minus AC equal to BY. Then AB minus AC equal to BY, or BY equal to AB minus AC. This is the justification of this construction. Now in the next video, we will take another case when AB is greater than AC.